Hi, it's Peter from Campkin's RV Center, and today we're going to take a look at the Alpha Wolf, the 26 DBH, and you're going to love this trailer. Alpha Wolf is a very popular brand for us. We sell a lot of these because they're great for families. It does come with a juice pack, so there's a solar panel on the roof which helps trickle charge the battery. And let's take a look at some of the features. One thing that everyone likes, of course, is an outside kitchen. So we do have the ice maker, great for iced coffee. We do have the fridge, and we do have a 2-burner here for you. And let me show you something in the back that is great, and everybody loves this. Are you worried about backing up? Well, all the Cherokee brand does come with a backup camera that's Bluetooth to your phone. And also, take a look at this. This rack drops, and you can put 200 pounds on top of this. So people put bikes, people put generators, all sorts of different things. Whatever you want to put on there, you can, because it holds 200 pounds. Now let's take a look inside and take a look at what is happening inside this 26 DBH. Take a look at that slide out. It does have a nice couch. It does have a big u-dinette, and we do have zebra blinds here. So you get to adjust how much light you want to come into the trailer, and that's a beautiful feature. When we take a look over here, we see that there's lots of space for the kids, and especially for the kids to grow into. So we've got a ladder there, we've got a bunk on top with a window, we have a bunk on the bottom with a window, lights on each one, and curtains so they can kind of get some extra peace and quiet there. When we take a look at the washroom, you'll see that right now the door is inside, and it's the same door as we have on the front of the trailer. You've got a power fan, you've got a porcelain toilet, you've got a medicine cabinet, you have a nice big sink. It's great. People love it. And take a look at the size of this pantry. Isn't that wonderful? Everything that you want to take out of the house and put it in the trailer. So let's take a look at the fridge. This is a nice big fridge. It is 12 volt. Take a look at that. Everything that you need is going to be there. Take a lot of stuff out of your fridge at home and put it in the fridge in the trailer. Everybody loves that. Great amount of counter space for you for prep. And let's take a look at the bedroom. What you're going to see is there's lots of storage space here too, just like throughout the trailer. There's storage space above, and we do have a decent sized wardrobe. Just take a look at the space in that wardrobe. This is one beautiful trailer. So here we have it, the Alpha Wolf 26 DBH right here at Campkin's. Let us help you make your RV dreams come true. Oh, you can do this.
Did it go?